We're here on the 385 SS, the ultimate family-friendly head turner. Come check it out. Starting off with the business end of the 385, we have Trip 400 Mercuries, which also can be paired with 350s and 300s. Coming on board the 385, you have the spacious transom with the easy access to dock lines and also boat to boat at the sandbar. You have access to your shore power plugins and also storage for all your additional water toys and any other needs. So coming out of the water from the sandbar, you have access to your freshwater hose down to rinse off all your sand and salt water. From the spacious transom flows right into the cockpit. Notice a large L shape that flips into the sun pad, as well as additional storage for dock lines and personal items. For that hot and sunny summer days, you have the retractable awning to keep you nice and cool. And for the ultimate tailgating experience, you open this hatch up to your grill. This boat also features a TV option, and for your excess trash, a little trash bin. This boat is equipped with 3 coolers, 1 pull-out, and 2 fridges. We have one of the fridges here that opens up to a wet bar for excess drink storage and also a sink. Here, you have additional storage for your phones and also, conveniently, a power outlet. So coming to your helm, you have your twin Simrad units with your flush mount switches, your Mercury joystick. To give you easy access at the sandbar, you have 4 Fusion audio controls that connect to your JL audio speakers. You have an air-conditioned cabin to keep you cool and comfortable. Right when you come to the cabin, you have access right to your control panel. You also have your microwave and your fridge. In the cabin, you have a large TV with a Samsung soundbar to keep you entertained. On the port side, you have your head with functioning toilet and also shower. Moving forward to the bow, you have a very spacious 8-person seating, along with 4 JL audio speakers, 6 charging stations, and 8 cup holders. There's plenty of storage for your bow shade and also personal items. All right guys, there you have it, the Monterey 385, the perfect family-friendly boat and weekend explorer.